Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kraken versus Luffy, Zoro, and Sanji. We'll explore the Kraken's raw power against the combined might of three formidable pirates. We'll consider their individual fighting styles and how they might work together. This analysis will highlight their strengths and weaknesses in a hypothetical battle scenario, giving you a clear understanding of this epic matchup. The Kraken's sheer scale is its greatest asset, allowing it to overwhelm opponents with its massive body. Its tentacles can crush ships and foes with ease, and its skin is incredibly tough, deflecting many attacks. Furthermore, it can manipulate the ocean, creating dangerous currents and waves. This makes it a formidable force, especially in its natural aquatic environment. Luffy's rubber body makes him resilient to blunt force, and his gear forms dramatically boost his speed and power. Zoro's mastery of three-sword style allows him to cut through nearly anything, while Sanji's fiery kicks deliver devastating blows. All three possess advanced haki, which grants them precognition, enhanced attacks, and defensive capabilities, making them incredibly versatile fighters. In a direct confrontation, Luffy's Gear 4th would provide the necessary power to damage the Kraken. Zoro's precision and cutting ability could target its tentacles or even its head. Sanji's agility and powerful kicks would allow him to evade attacks and strike vulnerable areas. Their combined haki and coordinated attacks would likely overcome the Kraken's raw power, leading to their victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.